Well, my name is Marc Scarpa. I'm a producer-director of live participatory media, and SIMPLYNEW has been pioneering this genre of storytelling now since 2001, and we really strive to create an all-media experience and of content and storytelling. Mobile is really underrated as a content acquisition tool. It's really, most folks look at it as a distribution platform, and we look at mobile as a great way to not only acquire content from the audience, or what I like to call the participant, but also to give it back to them in a way that is perfect for a mobile platform. And LTE technologies obviously exacerbate and accelerate that possibility. For me, all of the platforms are their own respective mediums unto themselves. Television is a medium of storytelling. A tablet, you have certain features on a tablet that is enabling you to tell a certain type of story. Same thing with web or PC-based experiences and mobile-based experiences. So you want to create experiences that are all media, storytelling, participatory media experiences. So each one of them have their own specific role in that overall ecosystem. For me, a pricing model, flat pricing models are really seemingly the best solution, where you pay for a certain amount of bandwidth or an unlimited amount of data consumption. That, from a content creation standpoint, really will help advance storytelling. If you get into a consumption model where it's a pay-as-you-go model, I find that that's going to inhibit the ability to share and tell stories and acquire those stories from the user base. So I'm all for a flat pricing model up to a certain amount of data delivery. Maybe perhaps a premium data delivery model you will pay more for versus a less premium in terms of the amount of bandwidth that you actually get. Just like you would in your hotel room, you can opt for standard or premium. Premium is for folks that want to send and receive video, and pretty much the standard is for email and all the other services. Thinking outside of the box a little bit, beyond just LTE, for me, seemingly all of this data consumption it's really at a crossroads right now. What do you do with all that data? Is it analytics? Is it this? Is it that? I think something that's really interesting that folks should start to look into from a data distribution side is sentiment. Being able to read that data and understand the sentiment of the audience. Very much like what's going on in the world of Twitter right now, where you're reading all of that conversation, if you will, and having it translate into a sentiment or a feeling. You can do the same thing in the data analysis world. And then you'll really understand the frustrations as well as the happiness of your customer.